What a bam bam, bam bam billa, bam bam. People, good morning. Wagwan, big up on yourself. What's up, my beautiful people? For people who planning to travel to United States, I want you to listen to this. Listen to this. You're required as of August 2025 to visit the United States to acquire a tourist visa, a business visa, or if you're a business person or you have a tourist visa, listen to this. Now, persons will have to pay a $15,000 bond. Yes, my people, $15,000 bond. And the reason for this is because of the high overstay. You know, people who are run off and things like that. So those persons, you know, make it harder for people who genuinely planning on visiting their family, doing business and returning back home. Now they say the list of countries is over 46 countries. You understand what I mean? Over 46 countries. And people, 15,000 US dollars in Jamaica. Can you guys tell me in the comment section? That's over 2 million Jamaican dollars. You hear me I say? And I know a lot of persons are gonna find this hard. You get me? This is gonna crush a lot of person. You know, this is gonna affect a lot of person genuinely who want to visit them family, genuinely want to do business. You know, and this fee, I was listening to this news update. You understand what I mean? So this is where I get my news from that I'm sharing with you right now. So this is not a fake news, it's not a, you know, a hearsay type of news. You get me? This is all over. This is all over. So if you guys go and search, type, you know, ban to enter the United States, you will see for a visiting visa, or, you know, tourist visa as we call it. You guys will see, you know, what the news says. Now, this money is not guaranteed that you're gonna get it back. You know, guarantee that you're gonna get it back. But I was listening to this lawyer gentleman. He was saying allegedly there's gonna be a waiver. I use the word allegedly. So if you pay, you know, the money, you can get it back. I guess once you return, you probably get back half or you get back some. You know, I have to use the word allegedly. Don't know how true that part is, but I was listening to him, and you know, even though he's a lawyer, I have to use the word allegedly. You understand? But people, what y'all think about this? Are you guys gonna be affected? Is this gonna affect your family? Is it gonna affect your business? This is a question for you, my people. Or you don't, you know, you don't see it as a problem. And if you're new to the channel, my people, please subscribe. There's also some story time on my page. You know, people outside nice and cool, you see, man. Listen, normally Florida always hot, but today nice and cool in the early morning. So I decided for just come and just, you know, do this video quick and fast. You understand? I know people always ask the question, you know, about my eyes. You know, people, sorry. There's a story time on my page, you know, about my vision. You know, I'm wanting to check it out and just keep subscribing to the channel. Check out the story times also, you know, about, you know, persons who have gotten deported back. Some of these persons, you know, got themselves in problem, while some of them overstay. Just like what, you know, the reason for this, you know, whole new change. You get me? So I guess they say it's supposed to run for a year, and after the year, it's supposed to, you know, I guess run again. But just keep up with the news, guys. That's how we learn. That's how we get our updates. You know, keep up with the news if you don't want to know what's going on. You understand? And for the people who plan to enter the United States, you know, I have to tell them, just do the right thing. If you know your intentions is not what it is, you know, then things are gonna be even hard. You know what I mean? Because, you know, a lot of person, you know, overstay and them not have no direction where them going. Them just overstay and don't know what they're doing. You know, so people like those are making it hard for people like you watching right now. Okay? So as I say, people, until next time, you know, I just want to say what good. But let me know in the comment section if you are comfortable with the decision of the president. If you think it's a good move, you know, the comment section is there. I would love to hear what are your thoughts on this. Okay? Big up on yourself, my people. Until next time, walk good.